Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natsy B. Please stay tuned to see how I completed those polygel nails on myself. The products that I'll be using are some white alcohol, Mother One Stop, and the base coat. I will also be using the Makartt polygel nail extension and some nail bond glue. You will also need your nail file, a cuticle stick, and also a nail clipper. The first step was to buff my nails. This was done to remove the excess sheen and also to provide a textured surface to allow products to adhere to the nails properly. So after buffing the nails, I then use my cuticle stick or pusher to push back my skin or cuticle from the nail. When you do this, it promotes growth, and it also prevents the acrylic or the polygel that you use from being adhered to the skin. After which, the next step was to basically apply the nail tips with some nail glue. After applying the nail tips, the next thing done was to basically blend the nail extensions with your natural nail by buffing them. This was done to prevent lifting. The next step was to then apply some base coat to the nails, which would serve as a bonding agent. Once the base coat is applied, then the nails were cured for 30 seconds. After curing the base coat, the polygel was then applied. I basically added a little blob to the nails. Then I used the alcohol to mold the polygel. This part sometimes requires some patience, as you don't always get the shape or the form that you are hoping to get immediately. Once you have achieved the desired form, you can then go ahead and cure your nails for 30 seconds. Sometimes you might have to extend the time to 60. After the polygel was added to all the nails, I then use a piece of napkin with alcohol to remove the sticky layer from the nails. After removing the sticky layer from the nails, I then use my buffer to shape the nails, and this was continued until I achieved the desired look. Once the desired form was achieved, I then went ahead and washed the excess dust from my hands. After I would have done that, I then started to apply my nail design with some white gel polish. I wanted a kind of French tip vibe. You could explore and experiment with different patterns, but that's what I wanted to achieve at the time. I basically added multiple layers of the white gel polish to the nails. And then the final stage was to apply some top coat, and it was cured. So here's the final look, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Please do have a blessed week.